Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do something a little bit different which I don't often do on my channel, and it's actually a lash collection review, and it's from the brand called Doe Lashes. So I have 3 of their lashes here to review for you guys, and the reason why I knew about Doe Lashes is because I follow I am Karen O and Michelle Fan and other Asian YouTubers on Instagram, and they have been promoting or like just talked about Doe Lashes really often, which made me actually wonder about this lashes because I've never heard of this brand before. And so when they recommended the lashes and that you must try it out, I wanted to try it out as well, and I was actually very lucky enough to get sent 3 of this. But again, I will give you guys my honest thoughts and review in this video. The Doe lashes actually come in 8 different lashes, but they sent me 3 different lashes from their collection, and I could see from the collection the style varies between like really dramatic to like very natural. So I was lucky enough to get like a little bit of a mixture, which is great. Each lashes cost $12.50 USD for 1 pack, and I saw that if you click on one particular style, if you get 3 pack of it, you get 15% off as well. And I also noticed that when you add this into the cart, you get a free applicator as well, which I don't really use because I just prefer using my finger for it. And also for this, with the shipping, because I live in New Zealand, the shipping varies. So for New Zealand, the shipping costs about 15 USD for me, and it takes about 7 to 21 business days to arrive. But if you wanted FedEx, which means a really fast shipping, it will cost about 25 USD. Now again, like I said, the price varies depending where you are, so I'm assuming if you're in the States, it might actually be cheaper. I love the packaging for the box, like it just looks very cute, and it has the dots at the bottom which actually represent the deer. Basically the lashes are supposed to like based on like deer lashes, where it's like wispy and give you like that really cute look as well. One thing that really attract me to this particular brand is that it's supposed to actually make out of Korean silk hair, which means that it's supposed to be weightless. Now it says at the back of the packaging, and it's supposed to give you a fresh cotton band as well, which means the lash band is supposed to be very soft and very lightweight. I noticed with 3 of the style that I got, all of the lashes, the band is actually obvious. It's like a black band, but it's actually not too thick. The thickest one is actually the one I'm currently wearing, and it's called Fuccboi Repellent. I'm not gonna swear in the video, but yeah, Fuccboi Repellent has a really thick band, but somehow it's actually not too thick when you apply it. Like it just matches with my eyeliner. It doesn't look over dramatic, which is great. And the other thing that I noticed with this is that it says here the lash cotton band is cut at a thickness that allows it to stay in shape even after a dozen wears. There's no irritation, heavy feelings on your eyes, and enjoy Doe like eyes every single day. I also received like a book as well that talks about each style, so I'm gonna mention that to you guys soon. But again, you can see it has like this deer picture, which is so cute. So yeah, so the first one I want to talk about is Silver Lining, and I will show you guys close up. And Silver Lining is supposed to give you like a natural lengthening lashes as well, and honestly, like I actually really like this, and I was very impressed of wearing this one, and it was the first lash that I decided to wear when I got this. And basically this one is supposed to give you the cutest lashes out there, gives you a bit more volume and length than their usual collection, and it's perfect for a night out or if you just need a little energy boost. What I really like about this is I like style like this where it has a little bit of crisscross but it's very lengthening. Like it reminds me a lot of the usual Japanese lashes that I usually wear. And I also like the volume and how black it is when you actually apply, which makes it more obvious on my eyes. And yeah, I just like that it goes from short to long, but at the same time in the middle it gives you a very nice length in the middle. So it gives you more of like a dolly eye look, which I usually prefer. Hopefully that makes sense. Then the next one I got, it actually doesn't have a name on it, which is weird, but I'm assuming it's actually Morning Dew from looking at the pattern. Now when I first looked at it, I thought that Morning Dew in the picture would look much more bolder and thicker than Silver Lining, but Silver Lining is actually much more obvious on my eyes rather than Morning Dew. Morning Dew is much more of a lighter weight natural eyelashes on me, and it's not so obvious. So Morning Dew, I would wear it more for like a very natural makeup or like a really simple makeup where I'm just going out quickly and I need lashes on. I would wear that. Like, I don't go out not wearing lashes with my makeup. Like, I always wear fake eyelashes. That's just me personally. And Morning Dew, it says here in the book that it brings out your eyes with the gap lashes formation and a fuller volume exterior to put the finishing touches on shaping your eyes with a cloud-like comfort. So yeah, that's the description. And the last one I'm wearing is Fuccboi Repellent, and when I first saw it in the box, I thought that it was actually pretty short for me because I do like really long lashes. But after actually applying this, I actually really like it. Like, it's very unusual pattern for me, like style for me. I usually don't go for style like this because first, I think it's short, and second is too volume for me. But actually applying has actually turned out really nicely on the eyes. And on the book it says that it squares out your circle with a strong enough shield to the windows of your soul. Fuccboi Repellent boosts a dense base with tapered offside to add the perfect amount of luster and dimension. So yeah, when you actually look at it close up, it looks like the length of it is very even, but actually applying it on the eyes, it actually you can see the different length depending on the shape of your eyes. So yeah, I do really like it. One thing I have to mention overall with all this style or this lashes is that because the band is so soft and because the lashes, like the silk lash, is actually very soft, it's actually really fragile. And the way I usually pull out the lashes from the packaging usually is I would actually use my thumb and actually push this out softly and then pull it out. But when I first did it the first time for the silver lining, I actually broke it because I was probably too hard when I push it. So definitely be very careful when you do this. And yeah, when you actually pull out from your lashes, it's fine, like no, it doesn't break anything. But I think from the packaging, because of the adhesive, it actually sticks on really sticky. So definitely be very careful. And in regards of the length, I do have to cut a few off the end to actually apply it on my eyes, but again, it varies for everyone's eyes. So overall, I'm actually really impressed with this. Like, compared to my Japanese lashes, I would say it's very similar, and with the price, I actually personally think it's actually pretty affordable because for me, Japanese lashes cost around that much as well. So yeah, I don't mind trying out the other lashes from this collection. I think there's like 5 more, but again, I'm really happy with this lashes, and thank you Doe Lashes for sending this to me because yeah, it's not often I try Western brand lashes. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with this. So I hope you guys enjoy my review on this, and let me know if you have any more questions down below and I'll answer them for you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.